Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing a slightly different topic, that is NEET 2024 preparation, because NEET is scheduled on July of 7th, and I received many queries from students telling that they don't know how to approach the upcoming NEET, and especially the internship going batch, whose internship ends by April or May. They'll get 2 or 3 months for preparation. So today I'll be guiding you for NEET PG. This is an introduction type of video, and the title that I've given to this is The Road Not Taken. The road not taken, because most of you will be thinking that NEET 2024 needs preparation for around 6 months at least, but it's not the case. I was in a similar situation where I could get a very good rank just by preparing for 5 to 6 months. So I'll be discussing you the strategies. Okay, so the road that you shouldn't take is the road to NEET 2025. You have to take the road to NEET 2024. Okay, so let's move on. I'll be your travel guide. I'm Dr. RMD, short for Ryan Maclean de Souza, and I'm a pediatric resident at RML Hospital, that is PGIMER, New Delhi. So straightforward, moving to your timeline. Okay, so today is 24th February, and we guess by April your internship gets over, so you have a period of 2 months here. Okay, and then you have a period of around 3 months. So right now I know what you're thinking. There are 3 categories of students who are there. The first category is that they'll think bas ho gaya, I don't want to attempt NEET in 2024. I'll start proper preparation aaram se, I'll attempt NEET 2025. Okay, but is it worth it? Because these 5 months can actually change your destiny. So the other group of people is that who will start preparing from April to July. So you'll get 2.5 to 3 months. They'll be like, I don't want to balance both internship and studies. I just want to focus on NEET in the last 2.5 to 3 months. So these people are not going to succeed either, because the time limit for preparation is also too less. So the third category of people are the smart people who start their approach now itself. Okay, they start their preparation today itself, and they whatever they decide over the hard work that they do over the next 5 months is going to matter a lot, and these are the people who will come out in shining colors also. So why starting today is so important? That is because whatever you do today, okay, it matters a lot in the future, okay, directly or indirectly. If you start preparing for today, you may not get rank 1, because rank 1 is already decided. Okay, the person who was starting, who had studied, who had worked hard for the past 2-3 years will definitely get rank 1. Don't expect rank 1. I'm very realistic in my approach. I won't tell you that you'll get rank 100 by studying for 5 months, or you'll get rank within 1000 by studying for 5 months. My approach is very realistic. My video is especially for those people who think by working hard, by giving a little extra, by giving a little more extra efforts, more hard work, you can actually succeed if you don't do things, because doing things actually changes things, or else things will be the same way. So your actually target should be to achieve success in NEET PG. So what is success in NEET PG? So you'll be thinking that a rank within 10 or rank within 1000 or rank within 100 is success. But let me give you some real life examples. My friend, let's call him Viraj. So he attempted NEET PG and he got a rank of around 70 to 80. But Viraj is not successful. He is not happy with this decision, because you might think that 70 is such a very good rank. Okay, it's an excellent rank. He has done so much hard work. But then why is he not happy? Because he wants a radio seat, and any radio seat in a top college like in central colleges in Delhi will demand a rank of less than 50. So he's not able to get a seat there. And people choose radio for being less hectic, but then state colleges at some places are very hectic even for radio. So he joined such a state college, and then he is like regretting his decision now. So rank doesn't matter whether you are successful in NEET PG or not. So second, you'd be thinking that maybe a dream college matters or a dream branch matters. But my friend Viraj again joined surgery. Let's say he's joined a surgery in a top state medical college, but then the workload is so hectic that now he is considering dropping out and attempting NEET PG again. So the branch again doesn't matter whether you're successful in NEET PG. Then maybe the college matters. I have some of my friends who have got rank 20 in INI. They chose AIMS, but still they're not happy with the working environment there. They're not happy with the hectic life, the toxic work culture. Okay, so these are like personal preferences, and the decisions that you take now which can have impact later on. So what is success in NEET PG? Okay, so success in NEET PG is not rank 1 or rank less than 100 or getting a dream branch or getting a dream college. So then what is success? See, let me give you my experience. I started seriously preparing for NEET PG in the last 5 to 6 months. Okay, I attempted NEET PG 2022, and in the month of November to December I actually started preparing seriously. By that time I was like, I had two options. One road was that I go attempt NEET PG 2022. Second was that I relax during my internship and then freshly start for 2023 NEET. But then I decided, whatever happens, let me give it a try, because without giving it a try, there's no reason to back up. So then I started to prepare. Even during my hectic internship, I had found out new waves. Okay, so once you start walking along the road which is not taken, you'll find you will gradually get those new techniques, you will get those new approaches through which you will have to struggle. Okay, so then I got a rank of 838. So again I was disappointed, because 838 is not such a good rank to get a clinical seat in a central college. Okay, I wanted mainly medical branches, so medicine was way out of option. But then I also liked pediatrics, so I took pediatrics, and now I'm very happy that I took this decision, because based on my residency life and the type of standard of living now, and also the exposure that I have, it's a very good life that I'm having right now, and I think it will be a very good life in the future also. So what I like, what I do right now, what I like, what I would like to be my future, if that's a happy ending, then I think that is what is success in NEET PG. So NEET PG is just a curtain behind which there is a gamble that is known as NEET PG counseling. Counseling is the tougher part than the exam, which you may not be knowing. So your NEET PG success rank is a rank that actually helps you win this gamble. Okay, to win any gamble, that is NEET PG counseling, you need the highest probability. So the NEET rank that gives you the highest probability of the seat that you deserve, that is your success rank. Got it? So for example, you want an ortho seat in a state college. Say there are only three variables which decide whatever you want to do in the future. One is whether it is a clinical or non-clinical branch. Second is whether it is surgical branch or medical branch. Third is a central college or a state college. So if you want, for example, ortho in a state college, so you are clinical branch, it is a surgical branch, and in a state college, if you go to previous year counseling, you will see that around a rank of 5,000 to 10,000 will fetch you a good college for orthopedics in the state. So this is what you desire. Okay, so now your target should be in that manner. Your target shouldn't be getting a rank of less than 100. Your target should be getting a rank less than 5,000, so that you don't have to take a risk, or you don't have that insecurity of losing that seat when you come to NEET PG counseling. Okay, so your rank in this case will be around less than 7,000. Less than 7,000 is your rank. So this is the first step in moving towards this road not taken. That is, to first know what you want in your life. Okay, what you desire, that is a target. Okay, similarly for a person who is who wants a medicine seat in a central college, his rank should be less than 100. Less than 100 is a target for him. Okay, so how to achieve that, you will gradually know when you follow this path. Okay, so this is just a game of probability. You should have the highest probability. The highest probability that will guarantee you a better future will be the success of your NEET PG attempt. Got it? It's as simple as that. So what is wrong with the conventional method? Like, you will go to YouTube, will follow this coaching institutes, you will follow all this. All these are misleading. That is because, say for example, you are in an internship right now. Okay, and everyone knows that you can't prepare well during your internship. So maybe you have this. If this is your total 100% preparation, maybe you have completed around 30% so far. So 30%, any final year graduate will be knowing these things. Okay, these are basic. And also by the rule of probability, you will have at least 25% of the correct answers marked according to probability. Okay, so anyways your preparation will be up to 30%. So now you go to YouTube and you check how to crack NEET PG in 3 months or 4 months, and then they give a set of things to be done, and then with the time constraint that you have to reach up to 90% of your preparation according to that. Okay, because every YouTube channel or every NEET coaching institute, everyone wants just toppers. Okay, especially the coaching apps, they want toppers. If the toppers are not there from their app, then it is considered as a flop. Okay, it's a flop. They want to gain more toppers, and to gain more toppers they want to get better ranks. Okay, that's why their videos are streamlined in such a manner. But for average person, for a common student who wants to get a decent rank, this is not the approach that is needed. Your approach is what you desire. Okay, so maybe you don't want to do 90% of the preparation, maybe you want to do only 70%. Just as I said, an ortho seat in a state medical college doesn't require a rank of less than 1000. A rank of 7000 is also enough. And to get this rank of 7000, you need to get around 120, let's say for example 120 correct answers, okay, out of 200. But to get a rank as portrayed by the coaching apps, you get to have a rank of less than 1000, which means more than 150 correct answers. See the gap, this 130, so this 30 marks, 30 correct responses gap is there now. That is what makes you, that is what hinders your preparation. You will think you have to get at least 150 correct. You're not getting a rank below 1000. So this attempt is waste. I won't get. So I'll go for next year. I'll give a proper preparation. I'll give a proper try. But this is where you fail. The people who believe that what they want was at least 70% preparation, they go ahead with it. They go to somewhere 70-80% preparation, and if their luck is good, they'll definitely get a very good college, as happened in my case, because PGI RML hospital doesn't close up to 800. Okay, usually it will close by 400. The rank closes by 400. There were only 2 general seats, and I got a rank of 800. But still, I was so lucky that I was able to get this general seat at the rank of 838. So their luck comes into play. So this happened because I started my preparation. I took that road which was not taken by anyone else. Okay. So this is where conventional motivation misleads you. So how should be your strategy? What should be the design of your strategy? Okay, first is know your destiny. Know your destiny means you should know what you want in your life ahead. Whether you want a surgical branch, whether you want a medical branch, whether you want a less hectic branch, whether you want to be happy in your life, okay, or whether you want to be a workaholic. Everything is decided based on destination, and by this time in your internship you'll be knowing what you want actually. Okay, so go ahead with that. Go ahead with your passion. So based on your passion, you select your goal. Okay, and this goal should also be realistic. Then you come with this realistic approach. How to approach this realistically? Okay, so for example, you want a pediatric seat, for example, okay, in a good central college which demands a rank of less than 1000. You should be within less than 1000. So to get a rank of within 1000 in this 5 months is really a hard job if you have finished only 30 to 40% of your preparation. But then you have to move realistically and in a smart approach. So in any exam which is framed, okay, there are 3 types of questions: easy question, medium question, and hard question. See, everything is based on probability. Whatever I talk, everything is probability. No one can exactly predict. So easy questions will be around 50, which anyone can answer. Even a final year MBBS student will answer. Medium questions are little hard, which you need decent amount of preparation and you can answer them. And hard questions are the ones which only toppers can answer. And there are few questions which even toppers can't answer. Okay, so now your basic approach is to target this easy and medium questions, which are 50 and 100. Okay, so these easy and medium, how do you know whether it is easy and medium question? That is that it should be either a previous year question which is repeated frequently, or it should be a question which is answered by more than 60% of the students correctly. Okay, so these are easy and medium questions. So if you get these 150 questions correct, okay, you know that for a rank of less than 1000 you need to get at least 150 correct. So you will think that 150 is correct. No, it is not that, because again we are coming to a realistic approach. You will have an error. Okay, so let's assume you have an error percentage of 25%. So 150 of 75% correct will be around 112. Okay, and maybe you solve some around 10 questions by hard luck. Okay, by luck, then you will get total around 120. Okay, so 120 will give you a decent rank. But now comes the smart work. With smart work, you have 2 options now: either to increase the error percentage, decrease the error percentage, or to increase the number of hard questions that you answer. So increasing the number of hard questions means you have to go through so much things in a limited amount of time, which is practically not possible. Okay, so come realistically you will just have to get these easy and medium questions. Error should be the least. Okay, this approach is what is a realistic and a smart approach. So if you decrease this percentage to approximately 10% now, then you see the difference. 150 of 90% is approximately 135. Okay, and along with this, we'll at least get 10 to 15 hard questions correct. So you'll get a target of 150. Luck will definitely play a role in this. Okay. So this is how a realistic approach should be to your preparation. So now, how to do the smart work with this? Okay, see, this is the graphical representation of what I have experienced. Okay, see, in my last 6 months of preparation, I didn't read notes. I didn't go through the videos. I went mainly, first I went through this previous year questions. This part, previous year question plus GT, then I went through this pulse. With this, as you can see, almost 60% is completed. And this doesn't take much time. This takes 2 or 3 months, maximum 2 or 3 months. Yeah, that's within that time. If you study daily, you will definitely finish this part. Once this part is over, then the rest of the part which is there, okay, that either luck will help you, or you can strike off 2 options. That way it can be, you can help, or you can go through some of the videos or notes which is important only. Okay, so this is called the smart approach. If you start with, if you think, see, this is how the exam questions are divided. See, exam questions are this one, the whatever is inside the circle. Notes and videos are such that, and the Q bank such that it has covered everything. Okay, so notes and the videos cover whatever was asked earlier, what will be asked, and will be asked 10 years ahead also. That will also be covered in notes and videos. That is because the coaching institute success depends upon how much percentage of questions are asked. So if all the questions are asked from that entrance app, then that app is considered to be a marvel. Okay, so that is the basic funda. But actually you don't need to study all those. 80% of the content which is there in every coaching app is rubbish, which is not needed for you to pass. Okay, and some people will be like, the yellow part which is left here, that is not covered in pulse and PYQ, that will be lost. So I have to read notes to gain everything. So even toppers also don't know everything. Okay, but the toppers are 100% correct in their previous question GTs and pulse. I said earlier, right, that easy and medium questions are not the ones to be lost. Even if you miss 2 hard questions, it's fine. But if you lose any 2 easy questions, if you make it wrong, then you're out of the game. This is the simplest approach to and a very realistic approach with smart work that can be done. How this is to be done is very personalized. Okay, so this thing, the pulse plus treasures plus the previous year questions and the GTs, this is called high yielding. Okay, and what is efficiency? Efficiency is how much high yield topics you're covering in a given small amount of time. That is called efficiency. A high efficiency preparation in a limited span of time will yield very good results. It may not give you the optimum result. It may not give you rank 1. It will definitely not give you rank 1, but it will definitely bring you from rank of 50,000 to a rank of 500. Got my point? The only thing that matters right now is time. Believe me, time is the only thing that matters. Time is a limiting factor. There is nothing else. So everything, whatever the probability we have derived, whatever the equations we have derived, whatever the graphs we had derived, everything is limited by time. Everything is with respect to time. Okay, so you have to personalize and start experimenting. Okay, you can have a study partner, or you'll have some other study tips. This is just an introduction video, so I'm not going to discuss detailedly on what needs to be done. Once I come ahead, I'll be posting few more videos where I'll be discussing all this smart study tips and how to prepare for each subject, how to go ahead with your hard subjects, okay, and how to approach different type of questions and how to manage time. These all will be covered later on. So second thing is advice. Whenever you are in doubt, when you can't formulate anything for yourself, you have to ask advice from your seniors, because many people come to me and their problems will be so simple, okay, but you can't know your own problems, okay, you can't find solution, but other person will be good at solving your problems. So I make them personalized format for their timetable, or personalized study format, or personalized approach for them according to their study design. Okay, so whenever you are in a doubt, ask help. So this video was mainly for those people who have not yet started walking. Okay, they have 2 roads ahead and they are still in the same dilemma, and this is the right time to decide upon your next course of action, because you are not going to lose anything. A few months of preparation will actually change your life. Okay, the time you're going to gain from this 1 year of time is what you gain, and you have nothing to lose right now. But if you attempt one more attempt, there will always be a feeling of inferiority, a feeling of pessimistic feeling, okay, that will always be there, a feeling of depression, okay. So that can all be avoided if you start preparing now. So all my dear juniors, all my friends who are going to attempt NEET PG 2024, follow these techniques, okay. You can all comment in the comment section if you need any help, or if you need any personalized kind of approach, or you need any study tips. I'll be coming ahead with future videos based on your advice, okay. So start moving along the road not taken. Thank you.